Greetings, it's Shanique. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I packed this lunch for my daughter. This is what I sent her to school with. So this cheesy lasagna roll, I'm going to show you how I make it. First, I start off with some coconut oil in the pot. I'm adding some garlic, some diced red onions, some chopped grape tomatoes, some chopped mushrooms, stir occasionally, and some chopped Brussels sprouts. We're gonna season that up with some garlic and herb by Spice Island, organic no salt seasoning by Kirkland brand. We're gonna just put all the seasoning in there and just saute it. In a large pot, we're going to have some water boiling. I'm gonna sprinkle some pink salt, and then we're going to put our lasagna sheets in there. We're going to just cook them slightly, and now I'm just adding some more chickpeas to the vegetable mix. I'm gonna just mash that out. I'm gonna mash it out, add some sweet peppers, and we're gonna mix that up. Now I found this vegan sour cream. It's not so firm. I think it's because I had it in the car and the car was kind of warm, so it became soft and mushy. So I'm just mixing that in. You could use whatever sour cream that you have, vegan sour cream of course, and you would like it to be like this consistency where it's kind of mushy, so it's easy to spread on the cooked lasagna sheets. So now I'm just spreading them, like I just took a dollop of each and I'm just spreading it on top of the lasagna sheet. It doesn't have to be fully cooked because we're going to add it to the oven. Okay, so I placed the lasagna sheet on a piece of parchment paper so that way it's easier for me to roll. So you just grab both edges and then you just roll it down, and that's how you do it. So you're going to do that for each one of the lasagna roll, and then we're going to go to our next step. So I'm going to be using a glass baking pan, and I just put some tomato and basil pasta sauce at the bottom. You make sure you have to spread it totally around to prevent your lasagna rolls from getting stuck to the bottom. Okay, so we're going to make sure that they fit in there nice and snug, and so that we could bake them up. I would like to take this moment to thank everyone that has already subscribed. Thank you so much. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. Now I'm just going to put some pasta sauce on top of the rolls. So you're going to make sure that you spread them evenly. That way it will also prevent the top from burning and you'll get that nice tomato sauciness. Now you're going to use your favorite vegan cheese and you're going to just sprinkle it all over, because I don't know about you, but my children love some vegan cheese. Most children love pasta and cheese, right? So now I'm just sprinkling some chopped cilantro on top. And look at that. The yellow and the green look so pretty together. Yes. So this is what it turned out to look like after it was baked in the oven. You see? And now I'm going to just pack my daughter's lunch. So I bought this glass container for her that has two sections. She doesn't like to have her food touch. So that's what it looks like on the inside when you cut the lasagna rolls. I went outside in my garden to pick some fresh tomatoes because, you know, I always try to give them fresh fruits and vegetable with each meal. The final product included dehydrated plantains, mandarin oranges, some seaweed, and alkaline water. Thank you for watching.